Did you make income from trading Forex last week? Or maybe you were trading gold. Did you make income from trading gold? If not, why not? Maybe you didn't have a plan. Okay, and that's the key to trading Forex or commodities successfully. Plan the trade and trade the plan. So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video, is a plan for the upcoming week, the first week of June 2021. Hello everyone, my name is Rick Ray from rickrayfx.com. That's my website where even if you're a newbie, you can go there to find out everything you need to know about Forex trading. The courses I teach, the strategies I use, how to get Forex signals, okay? I do daily free Forex signals, or maybe you're interested in fund management. Everything you need to know is on my website. And you can contact me directly from the website. All right, so I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. And I say that because I have clients from all over the world. I've been trading Forex for a long time. I've taught people online, in person, from all around the world. I have clients in Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Africa, Europe, all over Asia, all around the world. So wherever you might be, whatever time it is, whatever day it may be, I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. So let's jump into the charts and see what's coming up for this week. All right, first of all, we're looking at gold. All right, and you will notice that there is a note on my chart. Okay, this is a part of my planning the trade. What does the note say? The note says non-farm payrolls on the 4th of June. Non-farm payrolls is one of the most highly traded news items for all traders all over the world. And you need to be aware of these important news items that will be released, because that's what moves currencies and commodities. So that's just a simple part of planning your trade. Be aware of these things. Okay, now this is always the first Friday. This one here is the first Friday of every month. There will be a preview on Wednesday, 2 days before this one, that will be released, but it's not as impactful as the actual non-farm payrolls itself. So this is the one that we'll be watching for this week. This is the main mover, okay, the mover and shaker in the trading industry, the one that everybody watches for, the non-farm payrolls. But let's look at the charts and see if we can drill down a little bit and find out what's going on with the markets. And I always start off with gold. Okay, gold is, yeah, well, everybody loves trading gold. Let me just get rid of my profile screen here. All right, my little headshot so you can see the entire chart. And with gold, it's been exciting. Okay, we finally broke above 1900. All right, but doesn't seem to be enough power with the bulls, the buyers, not enough strength to move it very much further above 1900. We've been in this range for about 2 weeks. And we closed on last Friday at about 1902. Okay, got up to about 1905 before it dropped down just a little bit. But it looks like what I'm expecting is that gold will consolidate in this 1900 range for a while until we get another catalyst to break out higher and perhaps go to 1950, which is not that far away, all right, or perhaps even 2000. Gold has been bullish since the 9th of April, and we've had a great run, but we could see some pullback. Okay, it's the end of the month, and usually at the end of the month we see profit taking. People like to cash out and put their cash in their stocks, cover their margin calls, or whatever they do with their cash. All right, we just typically see that at the end of every month, so we might see that on the last day of the month, which is Monday, tomorrow, the 31st of May. So we could see some pullback. I don't think it'll pull back very far, maybe to the 1889, 1890, where we have strong support, you see there. Or it could drop further. Okay, it has done before, to drop $40 or $50, 400 to 500 pips. And then our next support level would be 1870. All right, but typically what we want to do in this time period when we don't have that much indication that it's going to blast higher, all right, buy on the dips. So if you see it coming down to the 1890 region, buy at 1890, right in that range. Unless you see it just really dropping hard, okay, wait for it to come down to about 1870 and then buy in that range. But buying on the dips, because gold is bullish and it is very, very likely that it's going to continue higher, all right, but we don't know when it's going to get that next big boost. So trade cautiously, buy on the dips. Don't buy right now at 1902. All right, don't buy at these high prices. Wait for the pullbacks. Wait for the what we call correction or retracement or pullback, and get a better price on gold. All right, the Euro US. Looking at the Euro US, and what we see here is I have a buy signal on the Euro US, and that means to buy at market open. All right, with the stop loss at 1.2150 and your take profit at 1.2250. It has already been up to that range and it should continue up to that level again. It's not been able to break any higher, but it should at least go up and test that area again, at least once during the week. So it's not overbought. Okay, it's at a good price right now. All right, it might pull back a little bit when the market opens on Monday, but it's a good price right now, and it's trading at 1.2191. So a buy on the Euro US with a take profit at 1.2250. Then the odd US, all right, it's typically just trading for quite some time in this range. You see the resistance level here is 0.7803. and support at 0.7704. Now it does break a little bit below support but came right back up, and over here it has broken above resistance but came right back down. So quite a long time it's been trading up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, with no clear trending direction. It's more in a range. We're seeing range trading on the odd US. So it's very, very oversold. Okay, it closed very, very low on Friday, so I'm expecting to see that during this week climb back up to 0.7803 in that resistance area. The New Zealand US is almost exactly the same, and these two currency pairs do mirror each other. All right, you see it's kind of in the mid-range now, but it is very oversold. It fell very, very hard on Friday, so I expect to see that one start to climb back up to a resistance point of 0.7300, and then later during the week start to fall back down to 0.7152. Okay, so again, range trading with the New Zealand US in that very, very tight range. In the New Zealand US, this is about 150 pip range. With the odd US, that is a 100 pip range that we were looking at on the odd US. Right there, about 100 pip range on the odd US, with 150 pip range on the New Zealand US. With the pound US, okay, it's still bullish, and I do have a buy limit. All right, let it pull back a little bit. It's trading right now. It closed on Friday at 1.4180. And so let it pull back, give you a better price at 1.4140, and then your take profit at 1.4230. And then the USD CAD, oh, the poor US dollar, okay. I have a sell limit, all right. It is likely to continue down to where it has been before. All right, it's a little bit above that now, but it will pull back a little bit probably. So give us a better price at our entry point of 1.2120, and then take profit at 1.2040. You'd like to just look at the DXY, which is the US dollar with a basket of currencies. It's compared with 6 other currencies to show the strength or the weakness of the US dollar. And the US dollar, all it does is it's so low, it's so weak for so long. It tries to recover, goes up a little bit, then falls back down. Tries to recover, falls back down. Tries to recover, falls back down. It tried to recover and did a pretty good job on Friday and go way up here. And then the sellers jumped in and said, no, we're not having anything to do with that, and pushed it right back down. So I expect to see a continuing weakening of the US dollar, and it's expected from a lot of the analysts that I do follow. We might even see the USD CAD, which I was just looking at, the USD CAD get down to 1.1600 within the, not this week, but within the next few months. Okay, the US dollar is very, very weak. Okay, so that's all that I have for you on gold and the major currency pairs. I hope that you found that helpful. All right, and before I sign off, I do have a question of the day, and I hope you will kindly leave me a comment below this video. I just want to ask you, what is your favorite market trading time? You know, we have 3 market trading times. And you can trade Forex 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday, but generally they're broken down into 3 time zones. That's the Asian Pacific market, where you have Australia, New Zealand, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Singapore. All right, that's the Asian Pacific market. Then there's the London and Europe market. All right, and then there's the US market, which of course, that's when you have the most volatility, the most movement of all currencies and commodities. Some people don't like that high volatility. Some people prefer the quietness of the Asian Pacific market. So I'm just curious, those of you that are watching and that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, what is your favorite trading time? And just leave me a comment below this video. I appreciate it, and I will reply to you and get back to you. And if you would like free Forex signals, okay, you can just send me a message on Telegram. I have daily free Forex signals, usually 1 or sometimes 2 signals, sometimes none. Okay, I don't just send out signals. If I don't see a good trade setup, I'm not going to give a signal, but I do attempt to provide the best signals that I see on a daily basis, absolutely free. Just send me a message to my Telegram. My Telegram ID is @RickRayFX. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the little bell and get a notification every time I make a new video. I appreciate that very much. And if you found this helpful, just click the like button below the video. Okay? Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Have a great week wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.